20 Minutes Setswana presents
Hello Abuti, say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today we're talking about clothes in Sesotho. Are you ready, kids? First of all, the word for pants in Sesotho is borigwe. And the word for shirt in Sesotho is hempe. The word for dress in Sesotho is mose. And a shoe is seeta. But the word for shoes is dieta. And the word for sock is kauso. But the word for socks is dikauso. So, we have borigwe, hempe, mose, dikauso, and dieta. And now you know the words for clothes in Sesotho. See you next time.